The F-22 Raptor is America's most advanced fighter jet. Yet there are 7 capabilities the Pentagon tried to erase from public knowledge. Why hide the features of a jet that defines air dominance? Today, we'll uncover what makes this aircraft untouchable in ways no other fighter can match. These secrets aren't speculation. They're classified, proven, and game-changing. And once you see them, you'll understand why the F-22 isn't just a plane. It's a weapon the world isn't allowed to fully witness. Most people think the F-22 Raptor is just another stealth fighter. Fast, agile, expensive. But the reality is far more intricate. Beneath its sleek design lies a jet that redefined what air combat could be in the 21st century. To understand its edge, consider a secret early test flight in the Nevada desert. A small cadre of pilots were sent to push the jet to its limits. Official reports noted unprecedented control at hypersonic adjacent speeds, but most documents were later redacted. The Pentagon quietly removed evidence of maneuvers that no other jet at the time could safely replicate. This wasn't mere bureaucracy. It was the beginning of a classified legacy, one that the Air Force insists must remain unseen. Yet it directly shapes modern air dominance. The F-22 was born in the crucible of 1980's Cold War rivalry. The U.S. faced the stark challenge. The Soviet Union's Su-27 and MiG-29 were pushing the boundaries of fighter technology. The Air Force needed a jet that could not just survive, but dominate. Funding battles were brutal. Initial estimates of $20 billion ballooned to nearly $70 billion by production. Contractors argued over stealth coatings, thrust vectoring engines, and avionics. Congress questioned whether the cost justified the capability. Yet the result was a fighter so advanced that even today, no other Air Force operates anything that matches it in full-spectrum performance. Think the F-22 is just a stealth plane. By the end of this video, you'll see it's more than invisible. It's a complete war-winning system. And the Pentagon tried to erase its 7 most critical features. Defense analyst Dr. Robert C. O'Neill notes, the F-22 isn't merely a jet. It's a platform that integrates stealth, sensor fusion, and supercruise in a way the world hasn't replicated. Many capabilities are classified because revealing them would compromise not just a plane, but decades of tactical advantage. Leaked contractor documents confirm the existence of experimental modules, systems capable of detecting stealth aircraft at extreme ranges, maneuvering thrusters that allowed near-zero radius turns, AI-assisted decision-making that compresses reaction time from seconds to milliseconds. These aren't hypothetical. They are part of a jet that dominates the battlefield long before an enemy even realizes it's present. Let's break it down with a simple analogy. Imagine radar that can see a sparrow in New York from Los Angeles. Now imagine integrating that with a jet capable of flying faster than 1.5 times the speed of sound while remaining invisible to that radar. This is the F-22's edge. Capability number 1. Supercruise. Unlike most fighters, the F-22 can sustain supersonic flight without afterburners. This allows it to engage or disengage at will. No other jet in the early 2000s could match this combination of speed and stealth. Capability number 2. Thrust vectoring. The engines can swivel, enabling maneuvers that make dogfights almost irrelevant. A Su-27 pilot might think they've locked on, but the Raptor can turn on a dime, slip missiles, and attack from angles previously impossible. By itself, supercruise or thrust vectoring would be impressive. Together, they make the Raptor almost untouchable, a fact the Pentagon quietly ensured would remain classified. Capability number 3. Stealth integration. This isn't just a coating on the jet's exterior. It's a full-spectrum approach. Radar absorption, heat signature management, and electronic countermeasures integrated with avionics. The plane effectively becomes a ghost until it strikes. Capability number 4. Sensor fusion. Pilots no longer just see with their eyes. The F-22 combines radar, infrared, and signals intelligence into a single cockpit interface. Imagine having the situational awareness of an entire squadron condensed into one pilot's display. Capability number 5. Advanced avionics AI. Certain systems suggest maneuvers or target prioritization automatically. Reaction times that would take human pilots seconds happen in milliseconds. Decisions made faster than a human brain could process. Capability number 6. Network dominance. The Raptor isn't just a plane. It's a flying command center. It can share real-time battlefield data with other aircraft, drones, and ground stations, effectively orchestrating the battle without anyone noticing. Capability number 7. Classified weapon systems. While the public knows about standard air-to-air missiles, there are experimental payloads designed for rapid deployment in hostile airspace. Exact details remain classified, but pilots report unprecedented flexibility and lethality. The F-22 program cost $67 billion for 195 units, roughly $350 million per jet. That price includes the engines, stealth coatings, avionics, and classified systems we just outlined. Compare this to Russia's Su-57 or China's J-20. While impressive on paper, neither matches the Raptor in combined stealth, supercruise, and avionics integration. The industrial scale, manufacturing precision, and R&D investment by Lockheed Martin, Pratt & Whitney, and the Air Force make this a decades-long lead in air combat technology. Every penny spent reinforced air dominance. Every classified module was a bet that no rival could catch up. A bet that, so far, has paid off. If the F-22's classified capabilities remain effective, the U.S. maintains uncontested air superiority. Rival nations cannot develop countermeasures fast enough. But if secrets are leaked or tech fails, adversaries could gain insights that diminish decades of advantage. Imagine a future engagement where stealth is compromised. Suddenly, the most expensive fighter becomes a liability rather than an asset. This is why the Pentagon has carefully redacted reports, erased evidence, and limited export. It's not paranoia. It's a calculated strategy to preserve dominance. For pilots, engineers, and program managers, the F-22 isn't just steel and avionics. It's proof that U.S. aerospace innovation remains unmatched. Every night test flight, every secret maneuver, and every classified capability is a testament to the idea that America will not fall behind. For viewers, it's awe-inspiring. The Raptor represents a blend of human ingenuity and technological mastery, so complete that it reshapes the battlefield before anyone even knows it's there. If uncovering these hidden capabilities shocked you, hit subscribe, because in our next video, we'll explore the jet even stealth can't hide, and the systems that could redefine modern warfare completely.